Hello my dear students, and let me welcome you all for your preparation for Maharashtra State Board exams with Unacademy. So now my dear students, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Shagufta Jaipuri. I am an author. I do write a lot of children books, a lot of motivational books. I am an educator from past 13 years. So I have taught in some of the best schools and institutions all over Maharashtra in my past 13 years of teaching experience. Okay. I am a mentor, coach and a YouTuber as well. I have a channel Zenith Academy Online, very famous for ICSE and CBSE students, and now for you all I am there on Unacademy only. Okay my dear students. Also I am an entrepreneur. I am the director of Zenith Academy Online. I have done my masters in nuclear and radiochemistry, done my B.Ed, done my diploma in industrial analytical chemistry and have won many awards in education field. Okay. Even in my research time, I have presented my research papers in many national and international conferences. I have also corrected board papers for SSC students, so I will be in a very good position to help you write the best board papers without any mistakes. So now let's begin with today's lecture. Today we are going to study how to construct 45-degree angle using a compass. So children, let's begin the construction of 45-degree angle by using a compass and not using your protractor. So let's start constructing 45-degree using a compass. So suppose you are told to draw an angle PQR of 45-degree. How you will do? First draw the rough diagram. Also my dear children, let me tell you that you will not be told to draw 45-degree angle only. Okay, sometimes in a triangle they can give you the measure of this side and they can give you this angle as 45. So that is why I am explaining you how to draw a 45-degree angle using a compass. So now dear children, we know that 45 degree is equal to what? 45 degree is 90 by 2. 90 divided by 2 is 45. So we will make use of this. Now we already know how to construct 90 degree. So first we will construct a 90 degree and then we will bisect it. That is, we will divide it by 2 to obtain an angle of 45 degree. Let's begin. So we will start with point Q. So in your notebook take a point Q and draw a straight line. Draw a ray QR. Okay. Now at Q we are supposed to draw 45. So first let's make 90 at point Q. So for drawing a 90, keep the point at Q. Make an arc. Now 90 is 60 plus 30. So keeping the same measurement and keeping the point here now, this is 60 degree. Draw another 60 degree and bisect it. So 60 plus 30, that is half of this 60, will give you 90. So I'll increase this a bit, keeping the pointer here now. I will cut an arc, keeping the point here. Now I will cut an arc. Okay. Now simply join this point and Q with a dotted line. Now why I am drawing a dotted line? Because this is not the angle that I want. I want 45 degree, right? This is my 90. Okay. See, this is 60 and this is half of 60, 30. So this is my 90 degree angle. Clear to you? Now I simply have to bisect this angle. So which two points you will have to consider for bisecting? See. This angle I am talking about, this is 90. I have darkened it. Can you see? This is 90. Okay. So I have to take the two end points. Okay. So suppose this end point is A and this end point is B. So I have to bisect this now. Now take the compass, extend it to any length. Okay. Now keeping the point at A. Okay, keeping the point at A, I will draw an arc like this. Okay, now keeping the same measurement and the point at B, I will cut this arc. Is this clear? Now simply join this point of intersection and your vertex Q. And now you will draw a solid line. So this is P. So PQR is the required angle of 45 degree. Okay children. So students, I have already explained you how to draw a 90 degree angle in the previous video. I have also explained you how to bisect an angle in the previous videos. Okay. So now you know it very well how to draw 45, draw an angle of 90 degree and then bisect it to form 45 degree. Let me explain it to you once again. So let's start. Take a point Q, draw a ray QR. Now at Q, draw 90 degree. So take your compass, keep the point at Q, draw an arc. Okay. Now keeping this pointer and the same measurement, okay, at this point, cut the arc, keeping the same measurement and the point at this arc now, cut this. So this is 60, this is 60. Now I have to bisect this. You can increase it a little bit. Make an arc. Now don't change it. Keep it same. Keep the point here. And now like this. Now you join this and Q. So now children, this is your 90 degree, okay? Okay students, this is your 90 degree. So now we have to bisect this 90 degrees. So we will name this point as A and this point as B. In exam you need not name it. आपको name देने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है. मैं इसलिए name दे रही हूँ ताकि मैं आपको easily explain कर पाऊँ कि मैं point A और B से अभी bisect करूँगी. Correct? Now take this, you can extend it, keeping at B, cut an arc, keeping at A and the same measurement, cut this arc. Now join this point of intersection and your vertex Q. So join this Q and this with a solid line. Okay. This PQR angle, PQR is equal to 45 degree. Okay. I hope now you have understood how to draw a 45 degree angle, my dear students. Students, whenever you are in doubt, always ask Unacademy. So there's Ask a Doubt feature available to all the learners of Maharashtra board. So download the app right now. Okay. Now on your app, you can ask the doubt 24/7. Okay. So here your app looks like this. Okay. Here there is a tab of doubts and solutions. Click on that tab. Okay. Click on Ask a Doubt. Can you see here? Ask a Doubt. Okay. Then it would be like a WhatsApp chat. Click the picture of your doubt and send it, and then click on View Solution. Okay. Click on View Solution and you will find the answer immediately. Now children, there is an amazing feature, that is raise a hand feature, available on Unacademy platform. So on the app, for all the plus and the iconic students, that is for those students who have taken the subscription, this icon is there. So this is raise a hand option, in which the students can ask live audio doubts in the class. What do you mean by that? So when I am explaining a particular question, okay, and if a student has some doubt in a particular step, so they can ask the doubt immediately in their own voice, and I can clear the doubt then and there. Otherwise what happens usually in an online class is the students write in the comment box, और जब तक टीचर वो सम सॉल्व ही कर देती है और फिर कमेंट बॉक्स देखती है तो स्टूडेंट का डाउट ही रह जाता है, राइट, एंड द टीचर गोज अहेड, okay, and he is not able to understand the doubt. So the raise a hand option is an amazing feature. Especially it is very good for mathematics, because the student can ask doubt at that very instant and get the doubts cleared. So that is why I tell all my students to take the Plus subscription and use my code SJMAMLive to get an additional 10% discount. Now, let me also tell you about different batch courses that are going on in Unacademy. So there's this Alpha batch, which is a full syllabus batch delivered in English. That is, the mode of instruction of the teachers would be in English. I am teaching maths there on Monday, Wednesday and Friday 4 to 5 p.m. for class 9. Then an amazing science educator, Aradhana Gupta ma'am, takes up science, and Malia Rastogi ma'am takes up English. Okay, so all three of us are the top educators in our own fields: Shagufta ma'am, Aradhana ma'am, and Malia ma'am. Okay, so go ahead and enroll this in this batch. This batch will end at 31st December. Also, there are different batches going on in Unacademy. So those who are not very conversant in English can attend these batches in Hindi. So this is a mission term to all subject batch taken by Jay Mehta sir, Mantasha Khan ma'am, Nilima Roy ma'am, and Ajit Chavan sir. Okay. Also, for those who want to learn in Marathi, there is this batch, mission term 2 batch for maths, science and English, taken up by Tejal Parab ma'am, Yogesh Sonavne sir, and Ajit Chavan sir. So these are the amazing batch courses going on. Also, I would like to inform you all lovely students about the free test series which is happening every Wednesday and Saturday. Now these test series are absolutely free of cost on the app. It happens every Wednesday and Saturday for the free students, and for the plus students, that is those who have taken subscription, it is every Tuesday, Saturday and Sunday. So for all of you, you can download the app now and start giving this test series. So the best part of Unacademy test series is that you get instant evaluation, you get your result, and immediately after the test, there will be an educator assigned to you, okay, who will explain you all these questions very well. So if you have doubt in any of these questions of the test series, वो भी उसी वक्त solve हो जाता है, because an educator sits with you and explains you all the questions very well. Okay, so this is very helpful, dear children. The duration for the test is 30 minutes and the number of questions is 12. So 12 questions is only half an hour test. So send your brain to gyms and keep on giving these tests on Unacademy. Also, right now there is this offer going on, children. So there's an offer for plus subscribers. If you want to take up the plus subscription, there is exciting mega offers for Maharashtra board students of class 9 to 12. So if you buy 12 months of your subscription, you get 6 months of the subscription free. And if you buy 24 months subscription, you get 6 months of subscription free, and this is only for first 1000 subscribers. Also, if you use my code SJMAMLive, okay, you get an additional 10% discount on the subscription. So let me tell you that these are the subscription plans. Suppose you are in class 9 and you want to buy for class 9 and 10 both. So if you buy for 24 months, okay, it is around 20,000 rupees. Okay, and if you use my code SJMAMLive, approximately 2,000 rupees will be subtracted, and in 18,000 rupees you will be able to study for 2 years. That is 1 year for 9,000 rupees only. Full academic year in 9,000, and you get to learn from the top educators of India. You get notes in PDF, you get to solve a lot of question banks, lot of sample papers, lot of quizzes, tests happening. Okay. And you can attend multiple classes. You can attend my class, you can attend someone else's class. Okay, every educator is open to you. You can attend any class at your own convenience in just 9,000 rupees. Isn't that amazing, my dear children? So don't forget to use my code SJMAMLive here in the gift section below. So here it is written, add a referral code. So here you add my referral code and get the additional 10% discount. Also, join my Telegram channel now. Okay, on Telegram channel search this Shagufta Jaipuri SSC. Okay, if you search this, you will be able to enroll, you will be able to subscribe to my Telegram channel, where I will keep on sharing with you important stuff, your certificates that you win in the class, my class timetable and everything, so that you don't miss any of my classes. Okay, so what are you guys waiting for, children? Go ahead and subscribe to Unacademy Plus. You can choose from a lot of payment methods like pay in parts, card, net banking, UPI, wallet, EMI, cash. You can also pay in installments for more than 12 months of subscription, and also there's an option of zero cost EMIs available. So my dear children, let's crack it on Unacademy. Bye bye and have a fruitful day.